Pop its tail bubble! Tilly loved reading under a tall, twisty tree, but every time she read aloud, the tree sneezed. Achoo! Leaves flew everywhere. Sorry, the tree sniffled. Your stories tickle my branches. Tilly laughed. I'll read slower. They made a deal. She'd read gently, and the tree would try not to sneeze. By the end of the book, the tree gave her a shiny acorn. Remember that. Friendship means finding a way together.